I've had a lot of couples recently ask about expedite requests and how do you file an expedite request? What are the requirements? What is the likelihood of success? So let's dive into that. Expedite requests are an option that's available at any phase of your immigration journey. The process for how you request that expedite depends on where you're at in your case. So you are asking about an expedite at USCIS. It sounds like you are in that I-130 petition phase and waiting on a decision. And those I-130 petitions right now are taking a solid 19 months, give or take, to receive a decision. And so expedite request is a mechanism, it's a tool that if there is an emergency or an urgent reason, you can ask immigration to consider deciding your case faster. Essentially, that's what an expedite request is. Expedite requests are very rarely approved because immigration views them as an extreme measure, because they view it as they are taking your case out of line and putting it in front of many others who have been waiting a long time as well. So that's their logic, is we will only approve these in really extreme situations because it is requiring us to skip all of these other applications, or rather bring your application to the front of the line first. And so that doesn't mean that you can't try, but I want to set realistic expectations on really the limitations of expedite requests, or the difficulty in getting an approval. There isn't a one size fits all. There isn't a closed universe list of these are the reasons that USCIS will expedite. It's a matter of what are the circumstances in your particular case, and presenting that to immigration is why it rises to that level of really meriting having your case be decided faster. And so health issues is a consideration that immigration will look at. And that consideration, I know you said also your husband is alone. So looking at what are those health issues and why is it that having you come to the US would be a benefit, and why does your case need an expedite request for you to be here sooner? And so, yes, it could be possible. My team and I, we have filed expedite requests for many couples, and we have had success. They're not always approved because it is a very small percentage of expedites that are approved. But health issues is a big one that we have had to request expedites because of a health issue, be it the US citizen or the immigrant beneficiary, and needing to have someone there to help take care of you, or rather being able to enter the United States to receive treatment. So yes, health issues can be a reason for an expedite. And it's really important, if you are working with an immigration attorney, you should work with him or her on how do you best present your argument. Because what my team and I do when there's an expedite request is we look at all of the circumstances, we ask lots of questions to identify what is the evidence that we can use so we can put forth the strongest argument possible to give you the best chances of success. Because it really is, you get this one shot at trying this, it's really difficult to get approved. And so you want to make sure when you put that argument forward, you're putting the strongest case forward to give you the best chances possible.